Empress Gifty or Gifty Adoye, formerly known as Gifty Shay, has made some statement that has caused controversy and also lots of conversations on Instagram. Well, she has gone wild over Nigerian gospel musicians not supporting Ghanaians, and in a way she was also attacking or talking about how event organizers, gospel event organizers in this country pick gospel artists or build them to come on a show and go outside the shores of Ghana to pick a Nigerian to come and headline such programs. Now, Ghanaian gospel musician Gifty Adoye has gone wild over Nigerian gospel musicians not supporting Ghanaians. She was furious about how Nigerian gospel musicians are pampered in Ghana, but Ghanaian gospel musicians do not receive the same treatment. In a video cited by DSGA TV, Empress Gifty said she perfectly agrees with Shatta Wale on what he said recently. However, she refused to make her point with insults. Empress Gifty asked the last time a Ghanaian gospel musician headlined a show in Nigeria. Now, the popular gospel musician revealed most of these Nigerian gospel musicians do not even share the flyers of the events they have been billed to perform until a day to their arrival in Ghana. She bemoaned that the love they show to Nigerians is not being reciprocated. International Asama. Let's go and then take a look at what Gifty Adoye said. When I come back, I'll give you more gist.
I can't crash them. Asemna Sata Kana na osu. Our depend the kind. Maybe I mean the item. Maybe yet, but maybe can't fact on. Atre and Crofwa a dark gospel industry, the face of gospel industry. Ewo Krumwa. When was the last time a gospel artist were Ghana or headline show be Ewa Nigerian? When was the last time? When was the last time?
Yeah, so there you have it. That was Gifty Adoye, Empress Gifty. Yemu bebrena no yeze efre no ewo na. Asama wa kayen, it seems she agrees with Shatta Wale. So I don't know. Do you think the Nigerians are not supportive enough? The Nigerian musicians are not supportive enough? And do you think it's about time that maybe I had it in Brevibot to talk to them? There be any airwaves, no, the new my ball and our movies are you know, limit those from outside Ghana, especially from Nigeria, because why the music space and movie space, no, it's been dominated by Nigerians. International so as some are kind. So let me also know what you also think. What do you make of what your Empress Gifty is also saying? No, this is Showbiz Bars right here on Ideas JTV, and my name is Sikawaman.